Immediate response. Type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. A hypersensitivity reaction is when the body responds to an otherwise harmless substance which is normally ignored. In this case, the body recognizes the substance and triggers an inflammatory response. The usually harmless substance is called an allergen. The inflammatory response is colloquially referred to as an allergic reaction. An immediate allergic reaction is a type 1 hypersensitivity reaction and requires presensitization. During sensitization, the body's immune system initially comes into contact with the allergen. In tissue, the allergen binds to receptors present on B cells. Part of the antigen is transferred to an MHC molecule and presented on the B cell surface. When the receptor of a T helper cell binds to the complex, the T helper cell is activated and releases cytokines. These cytokines activate the B cell and initiate its maturation into a plasma cell. The plasma cell produces and releases IgE antibodies. These antibodies have two variable regions which enable binding to the specific antigen, here, the allergen. With its constant region, the IgE antibodies dock onto a surface receptor on mast cells which are now able to respond when re-exposed to the same allergen. The individual is now sensitized to the allergen. Upon re-exposure, the allergen binds to the IgE receptors, cross-linking adjacent receptors. This leads to mast cell activation, inducing the release of vesicles filled with inflammatory mediators. This process is termed degranulation. The three most important inflammatory mediators released are histamine, prostaglandin D2, and heparin. There are various routes in how an individual can be exposed, for example, through inhalation or skin contact. Depending on the affected tissue, the released mediators can cause bronchoconstriction, leading to respiratory distress, vasodilation, reducing blood pressure and leading to edema formation, and local inflammation with heat, redness, and itching. One of the special features of type 1 hypersensitivity reactions is that once sensitized, the response to the allergen is immediate and can occur within seconds or minutes of exposure. Other types of hypersensitivity reactions are slower and can develop after hours to days.